Hello mis amigos, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look right here, which is inspired by Miss Doja Cat and her newest music video, Streets. Now she had like 100 different looks in that video. No, not 100, she had like 4, which I think is pretty normal. But in a lot of the looks she's like looking at us like ooh, like that, you know, like very sexy in the video. So I can't really tell what she did on the eyes for most of the looks. Well, I couldn't tell 100%, but I'm pretty sure that this is close to one of the looks, almost identical. The lips, she had a couple different lips, and I just went for the more neutral one because that's what I like. But you can literally do whatever you want. She definitely has this fiery, beautiful red lip that is gorgeous, and I highly recommend that if you want to do something bold with the lips, to do that. But if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link down below. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe. It's free. Okay, love you. Alrighty y'all, so I'm starting out with foundation already on because who really cares about my foundation? I'm kidding. So the eyeshadow for these looks seem very simple, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my Friendcation palette by Desi and Katie and Dose of Colors, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is Necessary. And I'm just gonna buff that into my crease just to add some definition. And I did put my foundation onto my eyelids so that my eyelids are, you know, ready for the makeup. And I put some powder so that they're nice and set. Ta-da! So I might have a mustache right now because your girl is struggling. I'm on the struggle bus. So it seems like she has a cut crease kind of in all of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Warm, and I'm just taking that on a brush and I'm just gonna cut the crease just a tad bit, nothing crazy. And I'm gonna wing it out at the outer corner. Just like that. And I'm gonna take the lightest shade in this palette, which is Basic. And I'm gonna just set that. I love how I'm like over here showing the products. This shade right here, called Basic, and I'm just going to set that product. That's it, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Obviously this is a very soft cut crease, as we can see. And now that that is on, I'm going to go with my NARS bronzer, and I'm just going to contour my nose because we are right here. Contour real quick. And I'm going to bring this shade into my crease. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Alright, so a lot of her makeup is kind of like animal inspired, it seems, throughout all of her videos, and even like on her Instagram she has animal and like nature inspired makeup. These eyes, I feel like... Okay, so this is the look I'm kind of going based off of. Let's see. And it looks like very spidery, which is what she's trying to go for, but also very like bird-like, I feel like. So we're gonna do something along those lines again because she does have several different looks. She has like her more natural look, which is kind of like what we have going on right now. So I'm kind of combining those two looks and creating a look. Oh, with this brown right here, we are gonna go along that crease and just darken it up. Alright, so that is that. all ready. And now I'm going to take a brush and just kind of blend that in just a tad bit. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's kind of resembling like that eyeliner look that she had. Then I'm about to do it. I'm gonna leave it like that for a little. I'm gonna move back onto brows because I forgot that I had brows and I forgot that I had to do brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my brows. Now she has very, very different shaped eyebrows. Her eyebrows go like this. They're like very short. They remind me of Ariana Grande's eyebrows. Like, they literally have the same exact eyebrows. I do not have those brows. I have some bushy gushy brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fill them in, but I'm gonna try to kind of mimic a similar shape but onto my eyebrows. It's hard to keep my cool. One other chicken's trying to get with my dude. I'm just gonna leave them how they are and just pretend that that's good enough. So now I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line before I go in with anything else because I never do my lower lash line like this. So I'm gonna take this darker shade right here that we were using, which is called Cheens, and I'm gonna take that shade and run it along my lower lash line. Just line it up. I look like a pirate. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush and blend out that shade. Still looking like a pirate over here. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to eyeliner, which she has a beautiful winged eyeliner, but it doesn't go along the whole lash line. It kind of just like wings up, just like that. And then drag it down. And there you go. That is the wing. I'm gonna go ahead and create it on this eye as well. Alright. And now, see, the thing is, I kind of want to mix these looks together, but then it's like, what look am I doing, you know? Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some inner corner eyeliner because it kind of seems like she has that. So I'm just gonna take it and add just like the tiniest inner corner line. So now my dogs are barking. So I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette and I'm gonna go in with that black, and I'm gonna create a line on that crease with the black right here. So obviously you can be doing this with eyeliner. I kind of like the way that the eyeshadow is looking, the black eyeshadow, but this would be actually way easier to just do with eyeliner, but I'm gonna keep going with this black eyeshadow and just try to perfect. Alright, so it seems like she has like some darkness right here that leads into the nose contour. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of just a light brown shade and just put in this inner corner and like really accentuate that area above like the line and between the nose contour. I'm just gonna bring it down. Alright, so here's the part that is very different between the looks. It seems like she also has a line going out here like that. Like she has two little lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and create that with the eyeshadow, and we'll see if I end up doing it with the eyeliner. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do it. I'm gonna do that little extra line because I'm pretty sure that's what is happening on her eyes. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my NARS Laguna bronzer, and I'm just gonna bronze up my cheeks, and I'm gonna keep it pretty high up here. Alright, and then with my Juvia's Place Volume 2 blush palette, I'm gonna take the shade B, which is this purple one right here, and I'm gonna add that. She has like her blush really high up on her cheeks like this. I'm gonna add that just right here up on my cheeks. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, and then we're going to put on lashes, and I'll be right back. Super quick. I just powdered my smile lines because I was on the phone and I was laughing. Okay, so now for lips. She has like fiery red lips in one scene, and they're like red orange, and then the other scene she has like more of this neutral lip. I want to go for the neutral lip because that's what I like. But you definitely can go ahead and do a glossy orangey red lip. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. It's not my vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and go for the neutral lip. So I have two lip liners here. I have this Rimmel London lip liner in Tiramisu, and I'm just gonna overline my lips because she got some big old lips. I'm gonna underdraw these sides, not because that's what her lips are like, but because I don't like... Hi! What's up, bro?
I got the plane.
I see it. You want to show the camera?
The camera.
The camera. That's really intense, Dominic. Alright, so the lip liner is on.
That's mine.
That's not yours. Alright.
That's mine.
It's not yours.
It's mine.
It's not yours.
I want it.
It's not yours.
I want it.
It's not gonna be yours.
Yeah, it's mine.
No, it's not yours.
Yeah, it's mine.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's mine.
That's not yours. That's Kiki's makeup.
No, that's mine.
No, that's mine.
That's mine.
That's mine.
That's mine. That's
Damn, Dominic. That's a good song right there. Say, damn, Papi, you a rare breed. Say, send your location. Ooh. Come here, sing it for the camera. Sing. Say, send your location. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly go ahead and apply some lip gloss. It's just some clear lip gloss on top of that. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.